Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing TuCalendi, a tool that claims to be your online personal assistant that schedules and manages all your meetings. It's a calendar tool. If you need one, that could be your call. So TuCalendi is an automated appointment manager that makes it easy to schedule and organize virtual events and in-person meeting. This will be your alternative to Calendly, Monday, and Asana. Let's take a look at the deal here. You're gonna get all their pro plan features and you can stack up to 3 quotes. The difference here is the number of users, calendars, confirmations and reminders, templates, and surveys. If you buy more codes, you get more users, more calendars, etc. So let's take a look at the tool right now. Here is the Calendly interface. Let's start on the account and you can see what is customizable here. You can, of course, add your first name, last name, your phone numbers. Then you can receive notifications by SMS. But you need a Twitter account to receive those notifications by SMS. And here are the language. They have English, Spanish, Deutsch, Roman, and other language here. You can see that you can change the date format in the way that you want, the time zone, the country, and the time format. Have a place to add your image. And of course, you can choose your Calendly domain here. Okay? Select your business name and also personalize your Calendly domain. About the templates, you can customize your email templates here. And also, you can drop your branding here to have your logo on your calendar. You can just be GDPR compliant if you need. They have that feature here. To add users is super simple. You just click here and you invite them, sending them an email. Here on the dashboard, you can see the insights that you're gonna have an analytics here with the upcoming bookings, cancellations, total calendars, and total events. Here on calendars, you're gonna create a new one, adding a name, calendar description, why you are creating that calendar. Then you have your calendar here created. You can embed that calendar on your website. You can embed as a button or an inline calendar on your website. You can also change the image of your calendar. So, adding a branding specific for that calendar. And you can also, on settings, you can add a new language for that calendar. For instance, if you want that calendar also in Portuguese, you click here and then you can just personalize your calendar in any language that you want. After you create a calendar, you need to create an event. So which kind of meeting you are going to create, a one-on-one or a group meeting? For instance, the location of the meeting, you can change the event color, the event name, and the event description. Here, you're going to select your availability. Also, you can personalize your time zone per calendar. It's an additional time buffer. So if you need an interval, for instance, of 20 minutes between each meeting, and the time interval of your event and your meeting. Here they have a default here, 9 to 5 p.m. But you can just click here. And for instance, if you want to select another date for the day 9, you just change here and you add that new availability. So you just customize here, clicking on the buttons. And for instance, if you want to every Friday be available a bit more, you can just change here and select that for every Friday. Okay, so I'm going to create a calendar super easy, selecting your availability. And then you're going to add your name and surname. Oh, sorry. You're going to add just your fields, the kind of fields, which kind of answers you need to get from your attendee. Or for instance, if you want to get their WhatsApp, you can add their WhatsApp here on the form, and then you click save and finish. Here on the confirmation page, you can show there the TuCalendi confirmation page, or redirect the users to your website, any landing page that you want. You can receive reminders, okay? And also you can add a cancellation policy and templates. About payments, they have Stripe and PayPal, those two payment gateways. You can add also coupons, discount coupons to someone book a meeting with you, and then you just give them the coupons. Super easy to create. Just click here. For instance, discount coupon, 40% of discount valid from today to, okay, for all your calendars and meetings. And here you have a discount code, pretty easy to create. As a matter of integrations, you can integrate TuCalendi with Google Calendar, Outlook, iCloud Calendar, Microsoft Teams, GoToMeeting, Zoom, Stripe, PayPal, HubSpot, Slack, Twilio, and ClickUp. You use Twilio to receive your SMS notifications, okay? And you can also add your own SMTP to use, then your users will receive the notification from your email end. I hope you like that review, and TuCalendi, take a look at the deal. I just added the link below. Thank you so much.